Welcome to SKU Science. In this video, we'll walk you through how to upload your file when the dates are located in a column. Before we start, keep in mind, the parameters we set here are only required for the first upload of a new data set. First, the time bucket defines the time interval between two periods of forecast. Next, upload your file. The upload wizard will automatically detect that your dates are listed in a column. You'll see those columns highlighted in green. Your demand or sales history columns will appear in blue. You can use the drop-downs to adjust these selections if needed. SKU Science usually detects the date format on its own, but if needed, you can choose from preset formats, or even create your own. Likewise, number formats are usually auto-detected. If something looks off, just pick the right one from the drop-down list. The wizard also maps your columns to SKU Science fields automatically. You can adjust this mapping anytime to suit your needs. To better organize your data, you can add custom fields. For example, customer or family. To define the bottom level of the forecast, use any combination of fields. In this case, we'll just use part number. Before finishing, review the summary table to check that everything looks right. You can also choose to let our support team review your upload. When you're ready, just hit confirm. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your file to SKU Science using dates in a column. If you need help at any step, our support team is always here for you.